What's the update?
Update is we are in Amsterdam in the airport. I'm pretty hungry and there's not much food around our hotel, so we figured we should just like try get some food before we get an Uber.
You know you're in Europe when you have to cut your pizza.
First time in Europe together. Let's go. Cheers.
So cheesy.
Finally, at our hotel. Feels like we've been traveling for like 2 days straight. I'm so tired. Anyway, let's check it out. Oh, we're not sleeping together.
Or not?
I guess not.
Sweet.
Not the response I was expecting. One of the things about, I guess, like living as a content creator is carrying around this bag. It's just all my fucking gadgets, dude. Just everything I need to survive and make a living is in this bag.
So happy.
She just asked me, how long did you fly for? We did 4.5 hours from Malaysia to China. And then another 12.5 hours from China to Amsterdam. Also with a 5-hour layover in between. So we flew for 17 hours. And our layover was 5 hours. So we were traveling for 22 hours, not accounting for lineups and everything. So basically a whole day of traveling to get here. And she got the fruit that she wanted. Yay.
The next morning.
Good morning. It is the following day. She is a fucking zombie. She's an absolute fucking zombie right now. But we're gonna be going over to getting some breakfast. So this is the breakfast hall. It's pretty big actually. I didn't expect it to be this big. I think the plan is to basically just get some food and then we're gonna get some food and then go back to sleep.
Breakfast of champions. I see. What's your favorite so far?
Probably the cheese and the salami together. That's just fire.
그냥 이겨야 돼 무조건. 계급에 오면 이모컷의 이론인 결과.
So we I think it's like, is it 5?
It's 5.
It's 5 p.m. She woke up from a nap and I got a little bit of work done. And basically today's our chill day, so we're not gonna go get food. We're gonna go get dinner. And it looks like a lot of places are closed, so we're just gonna get pizza. And we have to go to the market to pick up some like water and just some essentials for the hotel room since we have no fridge or microwave. And we're testing out these hand warmers that we ordered in Malaysia. So will they work? Will they not work? We'll find out. So yay!
Yay!
Ready for the cold. We are making our way over to get food now. We're finally outside and
It's so cold.
it's quite chilly, I must say. Without the toque and the heat tech and everything that we got on and the multi-layers, it'd be freezing. The legs are already pretty cold, but
My legs are cold.
yeah.
My upper body is fine, but my legs are cold.
Because you're just wearing like leggings, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think the main thing, I think it's cold. Like it's like a bone chill kind of cold. Like a I don't know, like there's no wind, but it's like much colder than Canada. But the coldness is different. I don't know how to explain it. It's just cold. There's something about walking around like areas that are like way more, how would you say, like lively,
Very family friendly.
family friendly, lively, accessible in terms of like by feet and also by bike. Just like totally different. So different. It's a very nice change of pace, honestly. This is a mascot's choice. Getting pizza. Definitely not used to seeing the second floor setup, but looks nice. Thoughts and feelings?
I'm stoked. Last piece. I'm so full. And this guy wants tiramisu.
Her idea, by the way.
Nuh-uh.
You're like, we should try it. It's their number one. It's
Wow.
hilarious. Looks good so far. Approve.
Good?
It's good, yeah. Approve.
Better than Costco?
No.
What? No, you fraud. You don't say that.
Costco will be hold number one. I am
No,
loyal.
that's not even real tiramisu.
I'm loyal to the Costco tiramisu.
Why aren't you loyal to a freaking
loyal.
franchise over a small business?
Better than Costco tiramisu?
Yeah. That's good.
Why do you look so white and you look so dark?
Thank you.
You didn't. Why are you faking it for the camera? You didn't even do it.
Yeah, because I don't want to.
Boyfriend duties. Alright, photo time. Gotta get the whole heart. Otherwise she's gonna get pissed. As per usual. 3, 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Albertijan Markets. What are we here for again?
Water. Serious question.
Hmm?
Do you want to go stay out for New Year's Eve and party, or do you want to buy champagne and drink it at home?
Definitely the latter.
I feel like that too.
Yeah.
Mimosa?
Sure.
So we're choosing to stay in for New Year's Eve this year, so champagne it is. What should I get?
The one that people are buying.
I don't know.
Just get this one. That's apple juice too, no?
No, this is orange. Stroopwafel. The staple.